TV crew there, look.
Oh yeah.
Two minutes.
It looks smaller on this, but it looks way bigger in real life. Jesus.
Yeah, it looks tiny on here as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we are far away from it actually, that's why.
Probably, yeah.
It's probably a mile away, that. It's that big, it just looks small.
I know. There it is.
Oh, Christ, that was quick. That's early.
It's going! It's going!
Oh my god. Jeez.
That's 2 minutes early, that.
Oh my
Assholes.
god.
There's no horns, was there?
No, I didn't hear any. My gosh. Felt like a movie.
Be able to watch it on the news, like.
Yeah, I bet they are. My gosh. So we've not seen it anymore.
It's gone forever.
I always used to look at it when I was little.
Did you? Did you see the flashes?
Yeah.
See 'em? Yeah. Flash was the bang was about a second or two later.
Yeah, it was.
You can tell how far away it is by the flash from the bang.
Yeah.
The bang travels a mile a second, so it was about a second and a half later when we heard it. That's the speed of the sound. The speed of sound. It's about a mile a second. That's it. It's over.
My god.
They'll get their asses kicked for that, like for just knocking it.